Hi, my name is Aaron. I'm with Phoenix Pest Control. A little tip for you. This is what most of us use, these belts to hold whatever, our aerosols or Accusprays or any of that kind of stuff, bait guns, things like that. But I have another option. This is a drop leg holster for a firearm or magazines or whatever, military and police, molly webbing. This is a magazine pouch. As long as you're not in a slave state, you can own this. And I'm going to show you why this is best for me. Not only because it's durable material, much more rugged, it's going to last longer, it's going to look better. And honestly, the first reason I thought of this was because my big fat belly and getting the cans around my belly and my big fat butt was lots of fun. So I'm gonna show you how this works. So I have this already attached to me. Well, I can actually bend better if I need to kneel. I can still use it as I kneel, and it doesn't hit me in the big fat belly. Yeah, I need to lose some weight, but you do what you got to do until I can get that done. It's been Aaron with Phoenix Pest Control, and this is for Franklin Hernandez. Love the podcast, brother. Hope you find this informative.